Hey there. So, thinking what is on the screen today. So, this is an HC-05 Bluetooth module, as we can see on our screen. So, let us understand how it works and what are the uses of this and where exactly we will be using that. So, this module here, that is HC5 Bluetooth module, might be looking, little bit complicated and, little bit hard to understand. But in reality, it is very, very easy to understand and it is a very much easy to use module. So let us understand how it works and what are the components and how these components on this Bluetooth module will be working. So let us start with this zigzag golden colored lines. So these lines might look common, but actually these are, the main sensing point of the sensor which of the Bluetooth module. So this is the main. It works like antenna. It is an antenna actually. So these antennas will be sending and receiving Bluetooth signals. Like it is like mouth and ear for the project. So these are the functions of this antenna. And the main chip here, the black one on which we have one a tick mark kind of thing here, this is a brain of this module. So we have seen in Arduino also, and in many other boards also, there are brains. So these chips here, are the brains which will control all the communication and handle them very in very seamless manner, and it will convert your data into a wireless signal. So these are the functions of these boxes. And moving forward to a crystal oscillator here, this the small silver block on the top side is actually it keeps the timing accurate. Like it won't delay the information, nor it will make it faster. So it will get the time so accurate that there won't be any delay in the transferring the data. And it is like a clock, so everything runs at the same time. So this you can say that it is a clock. And moving forward to the button here on the right hand side, this button is actually it works like a reset button. Like if you press this button here, you can set a new password or you can reconnect it. And it is like a setting mode for us. This button here is a setting mode. So like it can change name, and it can change password too. And we can change many things using this button. And all these small parts here, it is these are resistors and capacitors. I hope you know what is resistor and capacitors, as we have discussed in detail in our past few videos. And these pins here are also used to communicate the data of our board. And this here, there is one small light. As we can see here, there is a light. So this light, what it does is it will tell us when this module gets on or it is switched on. So let us turn it back and see how these pins here on the right hand side will be working, and how it looks from the back side. So when we turn it, it looks something like this. So it is a small motherboard here on which there are too many circuits connected with each other, and there are some pins here. So let us start with the pins. So the top one here is a state pin. What it does is it shows the connection status. Like if it is high, then it is connected. If it says low, then it is false or not connected. So this pin will be working like that. Now we have one RXD and TXD here. So RXD means receive data and TXD means transmit data. So that is why these arrows indicate that it is receiving, and this arrow is indicating at the right side That means the data has been transmitted. So RxD will be receiving the data, and TXD will be uh, transferring the data to the connected Arduino or your PC or the mobile device. And the GND here, as we know that GND is a ground pin which is used to take the negative current from the circuit, and the VCC is the power pin which is input pin, like there is a power which will be coming in, which helps the module to be working. And the last en pin, this is something new for us. Like this pin is used for enabling, like it is like a module turning on or off. And it is optional in most of the project. Like it won't be there, it is not so useful pin, because we have the other pin like state pin, so it is not so much used, but it is optional. And now these levels here, so there is written that level 3.3 volts, and power is 3.6 volts to 6 volts. So what it is, so the level 3.3 volt here, this indicates that the it works internally. That means these circuits will be working at 3.3 volts, and the power from 3.6 volts to 6 volts is the safe power range. So it cannot go lesser than 3.6 volt, and if you go more than 6 volts, then there will be some disturbance in our connections, and this circuit may get damaged. So this is why the power of the current which will be passing through the circuit will be taken as important thing. So overall, what this module does is the HC-05 Bluetooth module. This will, enable the wireless communication between the Arduino and the computer and this board. So, it will reduce the usage of wires like LAN wires and NAN wires and etc. Whatever the wire we are using, and it will be reducing those hassles, and it will do the communication seamlessly using the Bluetooth. So like now we learned how this Bluetooth module will be working, and in the hands-on project videos we might see how we use this module in actual project. So in this video we learned how to use and what are the components on the Bluetooth module, and what are the exact uses and what are the exact functions of this. So this Bluetooth module will be can be used in a projects like LED control using Bluetooth, or temperature control using Bluetooth, and smart home applications, something like that. So wherever you need something to be wireless, there will be using the Bluetooth module. And these were the uses and the functions of this HC-05 Bluetooth module. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video, future robot builders.